3-hectare field was plowed using a 15 centimeter wide animal drawn plow at 4 kilometers per hour and field efficiency of 75%. The draft required to pull the plow is 60 kilograms. Find the time required to plow the field. Okay, no? So, ilatag muna natin yung given. So, given is the area is the actual area is 3 hectares. The width is 15 centimeter or 0.15 meters. Okay, no, so single bottom lang, and the speed is 4 kilometers per hour, and the efficiency is equal to 75%, and other given is the draft, which is equal to 60 kilogram. Okay, so ang hinihingi sa atin is the time required to plow the field. Okay, so it's the total operating time. Okay, para ma-plow yung buong 3 hectares. So, yung tinatanong basically, ilang oras yung makukonsume, no? Ilang oras yung makukonsume para ma-araro or ma-plow yung buong 3 hectares na field. Okay, no? So, dito, ang solution niya ay ganito. So, dapat makuha muna natin yung actual field capacity or the effective field capacity. Okay, ang formula natin for effective field capacity is speed times width times efficiency. Okay, so divided by 10, no? So, given that the speed is in kph and the width is in meters. Okay, na so the effective field capacity is equal to 4 kph times the width equal to 0.15 times the efficiency equal to 0.75. Okay, no, so we divided by 10, so therefore the EFC is equal to 4 times 0.15 times 0.75 divided by 10. Okay, so that is equal to 0.045. Okay, so therefore the EFC is 0.045. The unit is hectares per hour. Okay, so paano natin makukuha yung time sa pagplow? Okay, so given that TP is equal to the area divided by the EFC. Okay, so the area is 3 hectares, so divided by 0.045 hectares per hour. So calculator, we calculate, so 3 hectares divided by 0.045, so that is equal to 66.66 hours. Okay, so 6.6667 hours. Okay, so that is the time required to plow the 3 hectare field. Okay, so dito ang answer is D.